Sean Diddy Combs will officially not be home for the holidays after a judge just denied him bail now for the third time. Diddy's been behind bars since September and will likely now remain there until his trial date, which is in May of 2025. Combs' lawyers tried just about everything at this point to get him released, offering a $50 million bond, a 24-hour security team, a home monitoring system at his Upper East Side Manhattan apartment. They tried it all, but the judge still felt that, quote, no condition or combination of conditions will reasonably assure the safety of the community. So why is Diddy deemed so dangerous? Misty, why do you think the judge denied it again for the third time? And it took a little bit of time this time. I mean, it seemed like they thought about it more because he didn't just deny it right away.
The judge definitely contemplated this one and asked for a lot of analysis as to why Diddy's case is different than other cases where there are similar allegations in the indictment. But ultimately, in this most recent court order, the judge said that the prosecutors presented direct evidence that Diddy had a propensity for violence. That in combination with evidence that he actually tried to circumvent the rules of the Brooklyn Metropolitan Center, circumvent the rules of the prison when it came to communications, was enough to hold him behind bars and to deny him bail. But to your point, Brian, the judge definitely went through this analysis. The judge asked for specific case law relating to these specific issues, but ultimately made that determination that Diddy, there was nothing that the defense could offer to make it safe for the community for him to be out on bail. And that was...
Mark, why is this unfair?
Well, I think that, it's hard to, and there's no right answer here, but my feeling was that going into the weekend, as of Friday and going into the weekend, I thought the defense had a better than 50-50 shot of getting bail. I think when they filed, and I may have mentioned this on this show or at least on News Nation, when they filed their response on Monday, I thought they had the better argument. The government's last salvo or filing, I think, turned his honor. I think what Misty refers to, I know he based it on the threat of violence. I don't think, my feeling, I don't know, I'm not in the judge's head. My feeling was the allegation that he circumvented some of these phone rules over the weekend, I think, just turned him. And I think that's what took so long. And that's it. He's going to, absent something happening where the government screws up turning over discovery, or he gets thwarted in being able to prepare for his defense, he needs to just immediately stop thinking about bail and start preparing for trial, because this is going to trial. Bail and start preparing for trial, because this is going to trial.
Sean Diddy.
Whoa. What's up, family? Back again. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment if you have something to say. Share if you get the opportunity. So I wrote my recap down for you guys. I'm going to read it off as fast as I can. Judge says defense presented a case that shows that Sean Combs was what was termed as a propensity for violence. One analysis felt that there was a 50-50 chance that Diddy might get bail. But in an earlier video, a different analysis said that she felt that due to the nature and severity of his charges, it would be nearly impossible. Okay. In conclusion, one analysis felt that Combs should now concentrate on the trial because the case was definitely going to trial. 6 months at that. May is just 6 months away. So they didn't present any evidence from their findings, only that this is the reasoning behind the decision. So can we attribute his behavior in recent months to this decision, and is it justified? This is my question to you. Propensity for violence. Yeah, my question is, is it because of him contacting people when he shouldn't have, like a dummy? Is it because he was actually caught on video committing a violent act against a defenseless woman? Yeah. I believe those two things in conjunction is actually why they won't actually let him out. They're saying that, hey, you're violent. We already know you got money and you have means, so you can make things happen. You're violent. You've shown that you can be violent, and you've shown that you will break the law even while incarcerated, trying to contact people you shouldn't be contacting. Okay, trying to make deals you shouldn't be trying to make. Okay, so yeah. I'm still saying I saw that shit in the dream. I think I was tripping. But yo, if you stay to the end, I appreciate you. I want to ask that you, if you watch to the end, leave a comment. Which one are we gonna use now? This is Diddy, so leave Diddy in the comments. And whatever you may want to say about it. And the best comment will get lunch on me. I will contact you, get your Cash App, and I will be sending you some money for you to have lunch. Okay. And thanks again for tuning in. I'll catch you on the next one. Salute.